guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be preparing this incredible honey applesauce cake, and every bite that you take, it's like you're eating a honey dipped apple. It is so moist and delicious. Now let's get started.
It's all about positive energy. This woman said, stop stepping, funky music. Listen.
Keep the funk in their music.
You're gonna start this recipe by mixing the 3 dry ingredients. This is 3 cups of flour in my bowl. I'm gonna be adding 3 teaspoons of baking soda. This is gonna make this bread rise up beautifully with the acidity from the applesauce. 2 teaspoons of cinnamon is going in, and I'm gonna be mixing this up and placing it to the side. Now, for those of you who are new to my channel, I post new videos weekly. Be sure to subscribe and click that notifications bell so you won't miss out on them. Next, moving on to a bigger bowl, I'm adding 1/2 cup of room temperature softened butter, and I'm going to cream this together with 1.5 cups of sugar and 1/2 cup of honey. This cake has the most pleasantly, not too sweet taste, and I know there are some people out there who don't care for honey, so feel free to use an agave or pure maple syrup.
Keep the funk in their music.
Once this is creamed into a honey butter goodness, go ahead and add 2 eggs and fully incorporate them into the mixture. And now for the star of this cake, 2.5 cups of applesauce is going to be added. And this is what makes this loaf bread the most heavenly, moistest loaf you have ever tried in your life. Use whichever brand and variety of applesauce is your favorite. Once it's fully mixed together, simply add that flour mixture that we had off to the side and continue to incorporate everything up well. This batter, you guys, smells so good with the cinnamon and the applesauce. Try to resist not trying a little bit. You know that I did. You may want to switch to a rubber spatula just to ensure that you won't overmix this batter. And depending on what you feel like, this mixture makes 2 loaves or 6 mini loaves, but today I decided to put this all into one bundt pan. The baking time will vary on whichever pan size you choose to use, so be sure to check out my website for this complete recipe and the baking times. This pan is fully greased with shortening and a dusting of flour. This is my go-to non-stick combo, which works great every single time. This bundt cake is gonna bake for 65 minutes in a 350 degrees preheated oven. Now be sure to insert a knife, and when it comes out clean, your honey applesauce loaf is ready. Let this bread cool for a few minutes before removing it from the pan, and then flip it over onto a cooling rack. Your house is gonna smell so delightful with the wonderful scent of cinnamon and apples. Serve this cake for breakfast with a cup of coffee. Impress everyone by bringing this to a brunch, or bake this quick and easy loaf for somebody special just because. Once it's fully cooled, be sure to cover it tightly with some plastic wrap to keep it moist. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Leave your comment down below what recipe you would like to see me make in a quick and easy version. It just might be next week's video.